I got this wonderful spiralizer for Christmas, and I'm just about to take it out, check it out, see how it works. It's called the Bella Automatic Electric Spiralizer. Okay, so I unboxed it. It came with this tray. It looks like this. The cord was underneath it. It has an on-off switch. And I'm excited to see how it works. Okay, so it came with a couple little how-tos. There was a little bit of a tape here and here. And obviously you have to be careful with these blades. This part seems pretty easy to just put on and off for cleaning. This part was a little hard to figure out. There's a button on this side here that you have to push down and then lift this unit up. And then it says in the directions, so that locked into place. I definitely want this part off anyway. And then it said in the directions, when you have it on the unlock here, this will slide, and you want it on the lock position when you do take this unit off. And probably, be having that there to make sure. It's kind of hard to pull off. The button, I messed with this before. All right, I'm not going to mess with it right now because I already did it and that part wasn't that easy. Okay, now let's see. We're going to unlock it, move it over there. Got my zucchini here. I think you have to make it a little bit shorter. Stick that part in there. Move it closer. And then I'm going to lock. I don't know if I'm supposed to lock it in or not. All right, well, I'm not sure, but I'm going to try this. Turn it on. Oh, yeah. Okay, it moves automatically. All right, and I have the number 4 blade. You can make different cuts. Let's see. That looks really good. Just show you. Oh, here. The number 1 blade is ribbon. Number 2 is fettuccine curly fries. Number 3, linguine. Number 4, spaghetti. That's what I have it on. Okay, interesting. Maybe it's because my zucchini is kind of thin that some of it's, and then it stopped. It probably if I had a thicker spaghetti, otherwise some of these are cut or smaller. Pretty cool. I'm going to try it with a different blade just to see. And it said to have it in the lock position. All right, I'm going to move this. Actually, I think I can just go right there. I'm going to move this. I'm going to lock it again. I'm going to lift it. Carefully, not trying to cut myself here. This part's hard to get this off of here. Ugh. Okay, I lifted it off, and you can kind of see how it goes down there in this little hole. There's a little button right there. I think it's a little harder to take off but they give you this little cleaning brush for cleaning up in here. All right, I'm going to turn this. It said obviously I should be very careful here with these blades. I could put this back on, but I'm going to just turn it to the number 2. Or maybe I'm supposed to do that while it's down? I can't remember. All right, maybe it has to be down. Let's see. Remove blade assembly to change blade setting. It says right there. All right, so let's go back to lifting this part off. Okay, maybe I have to take that little piece off. The zucchini was in there. Okay, I'm gonna do the number 2. I'm gonna try the fettuccine this time. Because I feel like that's probably the most I would use would be the fettuccine type or the spaghetti. Because I'm a big fan of the spiralized zucchini. Okay, so put it there. Maybe I'll try this time. Cut off a little bit more. This time I was going to put like the thin part. Wow. All right, I got to cut off a little bit more. Okay. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. Moving that closer, locking it in, turning it on. Oh, well, that looks like more of a ribbon. Fettuccine. Interesting. Pretty. Okay, I'm probably assuming I'm going to use the spaghetti one more often than not. But that looks good. Fun. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. I think the only thing I would say is that little button's kind of hard to pull up and then change the blade. Very cool that it's all automated. And it stops on its own. I'm going to turn it off. And it did say to give it a minute between each use. So, like, don't run it for so long. Cool. Now I get to eat my spiralized zucchini. I have a little peanut sauce here. Woo. A little peanut butter, a little ginger, a little rice vinegar, a little tamari or soy sauce, and it doesn't really have to be too elaborate. Sometimes I put a little ketchup in there. Yummy, yummy. Oh, good. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.